if these higher rates were the reason we were concerned about technology stocks, why are technology stocks up so sharply as rates have really started to climb?
That's right, Becky. It's been such a mind-boggling ascent. You know, on the one hand, you have investors saying they're worried about a recession. The bond market seems to be flashing a warning sign. Some investors are saying, hey, do we have a stagflationary period coming? And then you look at the stock market and you're seeing tech growth just on a tear over the past 2 weeks. And some traders I was speaking to said, hey, positioning was so flushed out heading into the Fed event that some of these stocks were bound for a rebound. And also their valuations have come down a ton. You're seeing some of the biggest stocks in the entire market, some of the FANG stocks down significantly on the year. So I think that's led some investors to come in and kind of look for bargains and say, is this sell-off overdone?
Dan, I know that's your perspective. You do think that this is a really good buying opportunity. Where especially would you tell folks to be focused?
Look, I think tech stocks are as oversold as we've seen in the last 5 to 6 years. And I think last week, that's when the Band-Aid got ripped off, the green light to own tech. I think names like Apple, Microsoft, you look at cybersecurity, I think it's a golden age for cybersecurity. Names like Zscaler, Palo Alto, and others. In our view, from here, tech stocks are up 20, 25%. I could tell you investors 4-to-1 calling us looking for buys versus sells. That was exactly the opposite if I go back 2-3 months ago.
Hey, Dan, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember you having too many times when you haven't liked tech stocks, when you thought, OK, this is a bad time to buy. Am I forgetting times that we've talked about this and I'm just not thinking of it?
Oh, no. Look, I mean, I'll be clear. We've been perma-bullish for the last 12 years in tech, which is why I fundamentally view these as opportunities. When you have sell-off, that's when you get what I've used the high-quality transformational names like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and others. And I think that's sort of been our philosophy. In these times of chaos, where the haters are hating and yelling fire into a crowded theater, and you look at some of these valuations, that's the time to double down on tech, and that's where we see ourselves today.